So a lot of you guys ask me what I do post-workout for recovery. So what I do is a post-workout recovery nutrient-dense shake. Okay. So I like to start off with berries. I already put some berries in here, but I put in some frozen berries because I like it cold. I like my post-workout shake cold and full of antioxidants and fiber. So a lot of fiber in the berries. Okay. So that's what I use as my base. Then I put in a little bit of greens. So these greens here are called vibrational greens. This is my last container that I'll be using. Then I'll be switching over to another brand. But thank you, Fred Shadium, for these. So I put a scoop of this in. So, plus there's tons of chlorophyll in it as well. So I've checked out a bunch of different brands on the market that's comparable to this one. I found one that's called BioSteel Greens. So that's the one I'm going to be switching over to. It's tasty and plus it's nutrient dense. It has a ton of nutrition in it. Okay, so that's what I do that. And then I use protein. So my base protein is a low carb protein. I put a scoop and a half of protein, which works out to about 30 grams of protein. Okay, this is the one I use. This one is called My Protein. What I like about this one, it's so tasty. It's like it's chocolate brownie, so it's really tasty. But there's glutamine in it, so I don't have to take that as a separate supplement. And there's branched chain amino acids, if you see there. Okay, so it has all that plus all the other protein in it. So that's a good base. In terms of carbs, it's a low carb shake. For everybody, it's different. If you are doing low carb, then obviously that's going to be something that you're going to want to do for yourself. Okay, so low carb. This is another thing I use. It's called collagen protein. This is good for skin, hair, nails, and most importantly, when you're working out, it's good for your joints. You know, we put a lot of wear and tears in the joints, so this is something that can help with that. So I put a scoop of that in. Right? You can put more if you like. And then I use fiber. So this one here is called Psyllium husk. I get this from Healthy Planet. There's particular brands called Now. So it's good for fiber is good for digestive health. It's good for regularity. That's important. And yeah, so good overall. I mean, we all need fiber in our diets, and that's a great way to supplement it. Plus, I put a little bit of cinnamon. So cinnamon is awesome for one, for the taste. I put a couple sprinkles in there. I put as much as you want, but I'll tell you, it's really tasty. Plus, it helps to regulate blood sugar. So nice and simple. I mean, it doesn't look too tasty there, guys. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so I mixed up this shake. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's good. It's so good. Now, some of you guys like thicker shakes. You put in less water. I put in about a cup, so about 250 mils of water. If you want more of it, you put more water in. If you don't like it as thick, then obviously that's a good choice. If you like it thicker, you put in less water. Okay, but that's it. And guys, this is so good. Yummy. Yummy, there you go. So that's what I do post-workout. Nutrient, there's tons of nutrition in here, guys, and it'll help you to recover. So I hope this was beneficial to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, have a good day, guys, and tune in for that Zoom workout tomorrow.